Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. You need clear access to the USB-C. Use the correct screwdriver bits and a suction cup to lift the back. Work slowly. Pry with plastic picks to avoid cracking. Once you see the connector, disconnect the battery cable. This prevents shorting while you work. You want clean, stable access because the rest of the repair requires precision, so take the time now to get a safe, steady workspace and good lighting. You now remove screws and any shielding to free the daughter board or port module, carefully lifting flex cables out of their ZIF connectors. Use a magnifier to inspect for broken pads, lifted traces, corrosion, or cracked solder joints. These tell you why the port is loose or intermittent. If the port is modular, you can swap it. If it's soldered, plan a controlled hot air reflow and clean flux afterwards. Once you choose replacement versus reflow, prepare the appropriate parts and flux. Precision matters. You either solder a new USB-C module or perform a controlled hot air reflow. Apply flux, heat evenly, then seat the port and allow cooling. Once cooled, clean with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush to remove residue. Reconnect the battery and reassemble just enough to test charging, data transfer, and OTG functions. Make sure pins are aligned and the connector feels snug. If things go wrong, check the cable and continuity with a multimeter. If uncertainty remains, seek a technician to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.